Hello traders, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to trade with Candlestick Psychology. Let's go to analyze the market. This is USD pair and this minor trend is uptrend market. Okay, let's see. This is some buyers area. So I'm expecting candle make a this is a very fast momentum. Okay, I will place silver option. So candle already make a retracement, again opening point at the sellers area. So that's the reason I will place silver option. Okay, let's see. Let's check the other pair. Okay, this is a resistance area and this also reversal point. But there is no confident. I'll try to check the next pair. And this is a buyer's area. Okay, we'll place a layer option. This is a breakout candle. This is a very strong buyers. Sellers area break this candle. And previously some sellers are very strong. After breakout sometimes are make a retracement candle. And this is also very strong level. So I'm expecting candle make a bearish candle. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's check the next pair. And this candle make a new high. Okay, we'll place a lower option. And there is no buyers interested at the market. And this candle again make a bullish candle. This time confirmly make a bearish candle. Why? Because after breakout it's a very strong candle. Sometimes are not make a retracement candle, but this type of candle selling sellers area closing at the buyers. So that's the reason I will place a lower option. And this there is no buyers interested at the market after this bearish candle. This also weak candle and this also very weak. Okay, two trades are winning trades. Let's check the next pair. Okay, this is also same scenario, but I am place a higher option. And this is a uptrend market. This is a continuation sign. You can see. So that's the reason I will place a higher option. But previously this is a resistance area, whole area is resistance area, that's the reason I will place a lower option. It's also same situation, but still some sellers enter the market. Okay, have 5 seconds. Okay, finally enter the buyers. Okay, this is a winning trade. Check the next pair. Okay, this is not a shoe short. Sometimes it's make a bearish candle at this point. You can see. Okay, let's check the next pair. And this is not a good market. Okay, let's check the very strong reversal point. Okay, this is a very strong reversal point. Let's see. Okay, this is a doji candle. Okay, there is no confidence. This is a reversal sign. Or previously some sellers are very strongly, but sometimes it's make a bearish candle. So this is a 50-50 chances. Okay, we'll check the very strong reversal point. And this is also a reversal point. Okay, we'll place a higher option. This is a 50-50 chances. And this candle sometimes it's make a bearish candle. Why? Because this is a downtrend market after some strong sellers entry. And this candle still closing point at the buyers area. So that's the reason I will place a higher option. Okay, let's see. Can see this candle touch the resistance support area after very strong buyers entry. But this volatility is very high. This type of market not good. Okay, this is also winning trade. Check the next pair. Okay, so many candles. It's not a good. It's a support area. But I will try. Let's make a very weak candle. And this also single candle. Previously some sellers are very strong. This is a continuation sign. But what happened is this is a hammer candle. After this buyer's entry, let's continue the downtrend. It's going to more up. Okay, this is not a good chance, so I will avoid this trade. I'm not taking this risk. Okay, we'll place a 5 trades, all are winning trades, and I hope if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. If you are interested, join my Telegram video course. Okay, thank you.